Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered patterns. We covered patterns up to 28. In today's session, we are going to talk about the pattern number 29. Sir, what is this pattern? I want to print a pattern like this. Already we have seen this kind of style, but let us do with numbers. I want to print 5 value in first row and I want to fill the same thing in the second row. I want to fill the same content in third row, fourth row, fifth row. So means what? We have to print 5 rows, 5 columns with the content 5. So it is same like the first program, whatever we covered. But in this case, we are going to print the numbers, not stars. We are going to print the numbers. And to implement this program, I want to read dynamic data from the user. Like I will read n value from the user. So enter how many rows do you want? How many rows do you want? Like this, I want to read how many rows. If a user has given the input as a 5, like this we have to print. Suppose if user has given 6, then we have to print 6, not 5. If user is given 7, we have to print 7 with 7 rows and 7 columns like that. So what we have to do for this purpose? We need to write first loop to generate row values. And we know this value will be generated from 0 to n minus 1. Suppose if n value is equal to 5, then it will generate up to 0 to 4. Next term, for each j value in the range of n, again this loop is also going to generate the values from 0 to 4. Sir, in our sequence of these patterns, I am going to write comments by taking the value of n is equal to 5 just for our understanding purpose. So, two loops I have written. Now, what I am going to do is, I will print the value of n because the input is 5, right? So I want to print the value of n, and the value of n is nothing but empty space. And after filling each and every row, I am giving new line character. In this example, if you supply n is equal to 5, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 0 to 4 rows, 0 to 4 columns. That means 5 rows with 5 rows and 5 columns, we are going to get a matrix style square. It is going to print with the content as a 5. If your n value is a 6, what will happen? 0 to 5, that means 6 rows and 6 column with the content 6 we will get. Let us see execution of this program. I am running the code. So it is asking how many rows do you want. Assume I am giving 5, where you can see 5 rows and 5 columns combination. Now they are asking, so to enter how many rows, I will give 6. So that what will happen? 6 rows, 6 columns with the content 6 we are going to get. This is the way how we can able to display the pattern number 29. I think you people got very clear clarity about this 29th pattern, sir. Right? Thank you.